Need something cool for this summer? Stay tuned!
I will show you how to make homemade ice cream delicious and with Mediterranean flavors. I'll make it easy.
The first one is this fig and honey ice cream full of flavor. You will need mascarpone, milk, honey, chopped walnuts and figs. Whisk well the mascarpone with the milk and the honey. Add the figs and some chopped walnuts. Add the chopped walnuts and pour the preparation into the Mediterranean ice cream mold. Cover and freeze for 4 hours. The second one is nectarine and cherry ice cream, a healthy, yummy and very refreshing combination.
Can you guess what ingredients we need?
It's very easy. First, cook the nectarine for 5 minutes in the microwave cooker with water. Blend well with sugar. Fill the ice cream mold. Add the cherries and the mixture. Cover and freeze for 4 hours. Unmold.
And now you are ready to enjoy the Mediterranean summer at home.
Tell me, who will you share this ice cream with?